Good morning, everyone. So I wanted to remind you that we offer residential service agreements. Now, a lot of people don't want to get into contracts, and I understand that. We try to avoid them when they are not necessary. However, with the rising cost of everything, this might be a contract you might want to consider. So our residential service contract is $240 a year or $20 a month if you prefer to pay monthly, or if you want to pay quarterly or semi-annually. I can work with you in that. But anyways, it comes out to about $240 a year. Covers three Windows-based computers that you own. Um, so with that, it could be a laptop, desktop, a Windows-based tablet, although we really don't do a whole lot of work on tablets, but we will certainly try. But yeah, this is what it does. It's for Windows-based computers. It's for three of them that you own. Anytime they need to be fixed, repaired, looked at, you call us up, set an appointment, bring them over to us. Or if you want us to come to you, we can come to you, and that's a $20 trip fee. And the trip fee went into effect a few years ago because I had people who were abusing this would call me up 2 and 3 times a week to come fix their computer, and there was nothing wrong with it. So that trip fee got added, and that cut that down. Yeah. So yeah, it's $240 a year. Fixes your three Windows-based computers, desktops or laptops, anytime you need them. Bring them to us. We'll fix them up. This includes data recovery services. This includes wipe and reinstall services if necessary. Security checks following a scam. Pretty much whatever we do in the office already, we can do it at this price. Um, and so, yeah, it's nice. I would rather send. I would rather have 1,000 of these in a month than just people wandering in with computer repairs that need to be done. I would rather have this because it's saving you money, and in turn, it's saving me time because I know what I have. Um, and so, yeah, that's why I try and push these. I've been trying to push them for over a decade now. I just think it's a better way to do business. I wish I could get everyone to sign on board with them, but some people, their logic is they service their computer once a year for $100 and it's cheaper. You're not wrong. If you're not using your computer to the point that you have to worry about it breaking on a regular basis, then yes, seeing me only once a year for $100 is cheaper. However, if you have multiple computers, especially if you have kids, this might be the better way to go. And like I said, it's $240 a year, $20 a month. It can be every quarter, every 6 months, however you want to do it. But that's what it comes out to is $240 annually. So whatever arrangements you want to make, we can do that. So, but yeah. Also, the advantage to this is when you buy stuff through us. So like your hard drive dies and you need a new hard drive, you're not paying full retail. You get a 10% discount on that because you are a contract client. Um, so yeah, just so you're aware of that, there is an advantage. You need ink for your printer, and I have it in stock. That's 10% off too. So the only problem I'm going to have coming into this, and I'm working that out, is on the drop boxes when those come online, and I start putting those out in the world. I got to figure out how to make those work with this agreement. But I shouldn't be too much of a complex problem. Um, too many problems, too many projects going on at once, so it's kind of hard to fix them all at once. But yeah, here you go, $240 a year. You can come to me. I can come to you for an extra 20 bucks. And if it's a Windows-based computer, like I said, data recovery, hard drive failures, need more RAM, need a video card. Might be especially important for those people who are gamers and trying to upgrade their video cards. They are not cheap, and you're getting a 10% discount on top of it if you buy it through me. I'm just saying. So, um, our phone number's on here, 567-855-1274. Give us a call, send us a text. You can reach us through Facebook. Um, that's where this ad is, and it's been posted in all the groups that I'm in, and this video will get posted on there also. So, yeah, if you live in the 5 counties and you need to save a few bucks, especially with the rising cost of everything, here you go. This is the way to do it. Just getting it out there. So, hope you found this interesting. Like, share, and subscribe. Find us on Facebook. There's our MeWe. There's our webpage for those who are looking. We're located at 122 South Main in Clyde. Like I said, give us a call, schedule a time. We'll take care of you. You guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later.